In this video, we're going to learn how to use the verb to be. We're also going to do some exercises at the end of this video. I am. I am a man. You are. You are a student. He is. He is nice. She is. She is nice. It is. It is a dog. We are. We are Australian. They are. They are kind. It, the dog. The dog. The dog is small. They, the dogs. The dogs are. The dogs are small. Here's a summary. I am. I am a teacher. You are. You are kind. He, she, it is. He, she, it is. He is happy. We are. We are English. They are. They are Ukrainian. Okay. So now you guess the sentence. I have a picture and you guess the sentence. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. Very good. I am a doctor. You are a girl. Very good. You are a girl. He is a cook. Very good. He is a cook. He is a cook. She is a woman. She is a woman. Nice. She is a woman. It is a cat. It is a cat. Very good. It is a cat. We are football players. We are football players. Well done. We are football players. They are dentists. They are dentists. The cat is white. Tricked you. The cat is white. The cat is white. The cats are small. The cats are small. The cats are small. Thank you for watching today's video and stay tuned for the next one.